Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar CAD, like I've been saying, I think that we are going to push up to one of these much higher Fibonacci levels now, which would likely be a pullback to this whole move down. More than likely, it's either a wave B or a wave 2. I still think it's a wave 2, but you never know. It could be a wave B. That doesn't mean that it might not, potentially push down a lot before it goes up. I just think that it is most likely going to make a higher low, even if it does push down. Now, don't take this wrong because it really doesn't have to push down. It could break up on the sort of time frames and head up to these Fibonacci levels without making a big pullback like that. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I'm definitely still recommending longs. The US dollar CAD has been very sideways this week. We went down and we swept all these lows with this right here. Then we went up and swept all these highs with this up here. So I'm wondering if this is like some sort of a WX, and maybe we're now going to go down and sweep all these lows again for the wave Y. Do some good liquidity grabs to the 61 and the 78% fib, and then if it returns back up, it might end up being a nice long opportunity. Now, I definitely am still recommending longs, and it really doesn't even have to push down. There's not even really a break of structure on the 1 hour time frame, so the trend is definitely still very heavily up. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.